The Guiguinto station area is located on the southwestern part of the municipality of Guiguinto and northwest of Guiguinto Municipal Hall, which is 1.5 kilometers from the station. The station is between NLEX Tabang Spur Road and MacArthur Highway. The Tabang Toll Plaza is one of the major facilities at the station within a 1 km radius. Huge vacant lots surround the station. There are several subdivisions along the south side of MacArthur Highway and the north side of Tabang Spur Road. Guiguinto Station is 6.0 kilometers south of Malolos Station. The area could be accessed from MacArthur Highway through St. Francis Road, a barangay road. While Tabang Spur Road is adjacent to Guiguinto Station, access is restricted by the Spur Road's boundary fence. In general, the station is surrounded by the following hierarchy of roads. MacArthur Highway is the main arterial road that connects Guiguinto Municipality with other areas in the south and the north, and the primary road, which can provide direct access to Guiguinto Station. The national road accommodates public and private transportation bound for the north and the south.
Kung maaalala natin itong tinatawag natin ngayon na PNR Clark Phase 1 o North-South Commuter Rail, yan yung dating tinatawag na North Rail Project na nag-umpisa pa noong 1994. So finally,
anong grade ba ninyo no? Nasa elementary pa siguro kayo.
Elementary pa katunying.
Tama. So nung pala elementary pa kayo nung yung North Rail Project na to. Ngayon lang nagkatotoo.
Ngayon lang, unfortunately, pero at least katunying, at least nakita natin. Ito nga ay binisita ni Secretary Tugade ulit itong Clark Phase 1 project natin. At siguro kung makikita nyo doon sa Facebook page ni Sec Tugade, yung una nating stasyon sa Balagtas ay more than 90% complete na. Kitang-kita mo nang nasa forma. At yan yung isang patunay na hindi na lamang to drawing, hindi na lamang to pangako, hindi na lamang to feasibility study, kundi isang konkretong proyekto na naitulak ngayong panahon ni Pangulong Duterte.
Oo, sa report 3 to 5 months ahead ang construction, Yusek, tama ba?
Tama yan ka, Jerry. Itong Balagtas Station natin ay ahead of schedule ang construction at nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating contractor sa proyektong yan dahil sa kahit na nagdaan yung pandemya, kahit na meron tong naging epekto at na-adjust yung ating mga timelines ay nakahanap sila ng paraan para maka-catch up at maiabot doon sa kasalukuyang punto itong proyektong ito.
Kumusta ho yung mga yung dinadaanan ng Riles na yan? Wala na bang mga
Home along the Riles?
Home along the Riles ng mga nagsibalikan dyan at nagtayo ng mga tirahan nila?
Para dito sa unang 38 kilometers mula Tutuban hanggang Malolos ay halos malinis na yung ating right of way dyan. Meron na lang tayong binibiling mangilan-ngilan na mga lupa. Pero ongoing, siguro katunying ka, Jerry, maganda kung makikita nung ating mga kababayan kung ano yung kasalukuyang estado ng ating North-South Commuter Rail Project. Dahil sabi nga nung meron tayong mga kasama galing sa media na sumama doon sa inspection ni Secretary Tugade, ilan doon sa mga reaksyon nila nagulat kasi saan daw nanggaling yung construction, saan daw nanggaling yung proyekto, hindi nila alam ang advance na pala ng ating construction dito sa proyektong ito.
After Malolos, may tinirhan kasi ako dyan, Yusek, sa may San Marcos, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Tabing Riles yung natirahan ko dyan. Yun siguro, parang nung huling mapadaan ako doon, wala pang masyadong activity.
Jerry, mula Malolos hanggang Clark International Airport, 53 kilometers yan, ay ongoing na rin tayo ng construction. Nauna lang ng isa't kalahating taon yung phase 1